I warmly invite the principal of our school to present the annual report of J. Rajesh Metric Higher Secondary School. I request the chief guest to sit aside and to face the LED.
J. Rajesh Metric Higher Secondary School annual report for the academic year 2019-2020, 29th anniversary. Good evening to everybody. Respected chief guests, supportive parents, dedicated teachers, well-wishers, press reporters, dear friends and students, it is my immense pleasure to welcome you all wholeheartedly for the 29th Annual Day celebration and present the record of activities for the academic year 2019-2020. The annual report showcases the achievements of and glories of our school. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it on the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and more. Competitions in various fields of skills will be conducted often in order to bring out the hidden talents of our children. Counseling will be there for the special students from the classes 9th to 12th to shape the students' future. The main vision of J. Rajesh is to make this institution a model school in all spheres. This report is a sincere attempt to showcase our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year. Result. I am very proud to say that we have got 100% result in the board exams. In SSLC, B. Subhashini stood first and M. Siva Darshini stood school second. G. Imara Masi and J. Vibiksha stood school third. And in plus 2, V. Thilo stood school first and S. Lada Selvam school second and Deeba stood school third. Transport. We are provided with 11 school buses for the conveyance of our school students from nearly 55 villages. School music band. We have school music band class with more than 30 students. Bharatanatyam classes are going on in full swing and nearly 60 students are learning it. They are participating and winning in several competitions too. Silambam coaching has been given to the students by a special Silambam master. Nearly 30 students are learning Silambam. Yoga and karate classes. More than 200 students and above are learning yoga, and we make it compulsory for the classes 10th, 11th, 12th. Festivals. We have celebrated national festivals like Kamaraja's birthday, Independence Day and Teachers' Day in a grand manner. Other festivals like Christmas and Pongal were also celebrated in a grand manner. The best 3 Pongal will be awarded on the annual day. On a Christmas Day celebration, nearly 25 students were benefited by getting beautiful dresses. The priest of Periyathalai came and made the function a successful one. Our contribution. By considering the people's welfare, we kept a parigod at a cost of rupees more than 60,000 in the highways road. And for the new Thisaimalai Taluk office, we donated a computer for the official use. Under the scheme, Go Green, we gave 100 saplings to the Panchayat worth rupees 20,000. Our school pride. We have more than 1,200 students, a team of 55 well-talented, dedicated and experienced teaching faculties work together in improving the academic excellence of the students. The parents are called after every terminal exam to discuss about their ward studies. We have nearly 30 non-teaching staff to take care of the students. It is a great pride to share that our school shines in national and state levels in various competitions. We are hoping for state level achievements in education too. It is a credit that even a student or a staff never talks about caste and creed, and we stand for oneness without showing any sort of partiality. Before reading about our current year's achievements, I would like to remind you about our previous year's record. As a principal, I am much delighted to say that our school shines in state and national levels in various competitions. We have got 4 national prizes, 150 state prizes, and 375 district prizes. And some of these year's achievements are: S. Muthupriya stood state third in Power Grid painting competition. She was awarded by Minister Thangamani rupees 20,000. P. Nitish Kumar in recitation and R. Anusha in elocution both won district and state prizes in the Ramalinganar competition in Pollachi and got rupees 15,000 cash award. In elocution competition, K. Nitish was awarded rupees 2,000 on the Kamaraja's birthday. K. Nitish of Standard 9 was awarded by the Honorable Minister Mr. Sellur Raju for getting state first in Tamil elocution. R. Anusha was awarded rupees 5,000 by Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin as she stood district second in elocution competition. P. Nitish Kumar was awarded rupees 10,000 by Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin as he stood state first in the recitation competition. Kasturi of Standard 12 was awarded by the head of ISRO Mr. Sivan for getting the first prize in elocution competition. Angel Srinidhi of Standard 10th and Chanchu Vikashini received the GSLV awards from the ISRO Director Mr. Mukaya for winning in the essay writing competitions. The principal was awarded by our district collector for the best performance on the Republic Day program. Brinda of Standard 12 and Meena Selvi Rashika were awarded by the Minister Sellur Raju for getting state first and third in the essay writing competitions. P. Nitish Kumar won rupees 2,000 in the Tamil elocution competition on the Kamaraja's birthday. We were the champion in the inter-school competitions conducted by the VV Engineering College. Sai Chitra Devi and Nitish won prizes in the singing competition conducted by Ramalinganar Narpani Mandam, Tirunelveli. Mahavashni stood district first in the painting competition conducted on the World Diabetes Day. Many prizes were won by our students on the Vikram Sarabhai birthday competition conducted by the District Science Center. Michael Berlin won the district third prize in elocution competition on the World Photography Day. We were the champion in the Rect Polytechnic College inter-school competitions. Kasturi of Standard 12th won the first place in the elocution competition conducted by Ramalinganar Narpani Mandam. Grajan Jennifer won the first place in the essay writing competition in the Library Week celebration. Many students won prizes in the World Diabetes Day in various competitions in the District Science Center. Michael Berlin was awarded the GSLV award by the Director of ISRO, Mr. Mukaya, for winning in the elocution competition in state level. We were the champion in the Bharat Gas inter-school competitions. S. Muthupriya was honored by the Honorable Minister Sellur Raju as she stood state first in the painting competition. We had won second place in the Hilton Showfest inter-school competitions in district level. R. Anusha won the GSLV award from the Director of ISRO and was awarded for winning in the elocution competition. Magna won the district first place in the painting competition on the World Blood Day. In the Essay Raja group of institutions, we won the Champion Cup in the inter-school competitions with a cash award, rupees 10,000, and the cash award received by the students are Nitish rupees 8,000, Gurulakshmi 2,000, Muthupriya 5,000, Aswan 5,000, Shalumisa 2,000, Shivananen Ganeshwar 3,000. Many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be achieved. We at J. Rajesh will continue our unceasing efforts to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with the confidence and zeal befitting the standard of the portal of education. The mind-blowing and awesome support rendered by our loving parents give us confidence and a vision to look forward. At this prestigious moment, I would like to thank all our supportive parents for their unforgettable role in our school's development. I assure you that we will provide a good education to your children and make them to shine high in their future like our motto. Thank you very much.